Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn how to find out list of maintenance order in SAP. We can find out list of maintenance order by using SAP transaction code IW39. In this command field we are going to write IW39 and press enter. This is the display of IW39. In this display we can give here the order type if we are looking for particular maintenance order, which include general maintenance order, preventive maintenance order, breakdown maintenance order, which we discussed in my previous video. We can give here the function location, equipment number, and there are different other fields which we can use. Otherwise we can simply give here the date range. And once we have done this, we are going to make sure that we put a check mark on all these boxes, because there are maintenance order which can still be open, or they are in process, or they have been completed. So in order to make sure that none of the maintenance order is missed, we have to put a check mark on all these boxes. And once all the prerequisites are done, we are going to press this execute button or use the shortcut key F8. As a result, report will be displayed. Now we can change the layout of the report by simply pressing this change layout button or use the shortcut key Ctrl F8. Now we can select different fields from this section and then press this button so that they can come onto the left hand side. Some of the fields which we should include into the main report includes order type, notification number, order number, description, work center, asset, equipment, functional location, and status, which will tell us whether the maintenance order is still open or closed or in process. And once we have done this, we are going to simply press this tick button so that our report is displayed as per our requirement accordingly. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.